To use the multi-point connection on the Realme Buds T310, first you will need to download Realme Link app on both of the devices that you want to connect with your Realme Buds. Now we can open a case and remove our buds to connect them with our smartphone. And I'm gonna go for the Android smartphone on the left first, so connect the new Bluetooth device. If they don't show up, we would need to enter pairing mode by holding touch panel for 4 seconds, but they've connected without any problem. Now when we open the app, we should be able to see our headset right here. And then when we scroll down, there's the dual device connection. You need to activate it, after which we'll be able to connect with 2 devices at the same time. You can connect to another device by pressing and holding the left-right headphone for 4 seconds and switch audio playback between devices easily. View and manage connected devices below. So there's a phone that I've connected right here, and now we can move to the iPhone, pair new device, and we need to follow a guidelines to click and hold the pairing for 4 seconds. So there's a touch panel right here on both of them. I'm gonna hold them for around 4 seconds, just like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, let go, and then pair our device right here. There's Realme Buds. So normally if you would be using a Android phone, it should find a Bluetooth device right here, but that's the iPhone, so there's problems as always. So we need to enter Bluetooth settings on our iPhone and connect them manually right here. Now in the other devices we should see them in a moment. If not, click and hold those buttons again. Okay, so here they are. We can click on them. And now they are connected. We can move back to Realme Link app. And try to reconnect with them. So here they are, pair. And now as you can see on the list, there's the iPhone that I connected them with, and now we can use those 2 devices along with our buds.